how to make money with Pandabuy. So first, you just have to log into a Pandabuy account. And then here you have to click your profile, okay, and then go to User Center. Here you will see the status of your earnings and the options such as top up, withdraw, Pandabuy points, coupons, and your growth volume. But what you're going to do here is to scroll down and look for affiliates. Tap this one, and here you can see the terms and service. So you have to make sure that you have read all the terms and conditions before you proceed. Okay, and then after that, you have to click this box. I have read and agreed, and then click OK. So you can see here your promotion commission as well as your affiliate link. So you can see the following here, like the status of your earnings. So how are you going to earn here in Pandabuy is you just have to promote your link. So you have to copy this one and then paste it somewhere. Like, for example, you're going to promote this specific product, and then below you should include your link. So if the customer click that link and purchase something or purchase a product, then automatically you can earn a commission to that. Same thing if you copy your invitation link. So if you copy this invitation code and then post it somewhere, and a customer purchase an item from your given link or from your affiliate link here, then probably you can earn a commission or points to that. You can also avail this bonus rate here in Pandabuy. So in order for you to avail this, you have to complete something and you have to get more points or earn more commissions. As easy as that. So I really hope that this video somehow help you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.